Okay, so today I want to show you a couple new tools from the Martha Stewart's craft line that I was really excited when I saw on the shelf, and I just thought I would share one of my first times trying them with you. So anyways, today I'm showing the Heat Embossing Kit, and in this kit you get 3 different embossing powders. You get the embossing stamp pad, a clear stamp mount, a small one, but it's still a stamp mount. You can get these in different sizes, much larger of course, and you also get 17 different clear stamps, and you use these with the clear stamp mounts. The Martha Stewart ones have a grid which make it really easy to align your stamps and make a perfect image. So today, let's see, on this you have a really nice tree that I really like, but today I'm going to use a bird, and I know I made another card with the tree, so I'll show you that one so you can see what it looks like. And all you do is you just take your stamp mount, put it on your little tray, and place your stamp. Put a little bit of pressure, just to make sure it sticks. And then, better get my paper ready. So I'm going to take this little clear grid, and let's see, I need a 4 by 3 inch rectangle, and I also need in one color, and then in another corresponding color, I need a 4 by 5.5 inch rectangle. And you'll use these, one will be layered over the other, and this smaller one will have the embossed image. So I'm just going to cut another one out. 4 by 3. Okay. The craft knife from Martha Stewart's craft line. Good thing. We're one of the first ones with the little boxes. Can't get the boxes anymore. Different packaging now. But anyways, so here's our rectangle. And I'm just going to take my stamp and my embossing pad. And just like you would a normal stamp with a normal ink pad, coat your stamp with the embossing liquid that's contained in the pad. And then you're just going to take it, and if you have craft paper with the textured side and the smooth side, use the smooth side. You'll have a better result. So I'm just going to take it, center it right there, push down, apply pressure all over so you get a nice good transfer. You can see it, and I'm going to use Antique Gold, my embossing powder, on a piece of paper so I can recapture all of my excess. Do this quickly before your image dries. Sprinkle the embossing powder all over it. Give a little tap to distribute, and then just shake that all off, and then you can give it a little tap on the back with your finger, or if you've got some stubborn pieces, use a little brush. Get that all out. There, very good. Okay, and then you want to make sure and save all this extra powder. Don't want to waste any. Because you hardly use any for these images, so this little vial will make a lot of images. And then next you're going to take your little heating tool and turn it on. Makes a lot of noise. It sounds like a hairdryer, but it doesn't blow as much air. It does emit quite a bit of heat, and then off of your rubber mat, because you don't want to melt this, you don't want to get it too hot. It's going to end circles with your heat tool right above. Start to heat up the embossing powder. And you will see, like magic, it will turn a different color. It will create a raised, smooth surface. One thing though, you want to make sure and keep this heat tool moving. You don't want to burn your fingers, and you also don't want to scorch the embossing powder. There. That takes hardly any time at all. And you can see it's a cute little bird right there. So to finish my card, I'm just going to take this pre-scored card. It's a 5 by 6.5 inch card, and I'm going to use a bone folder and give myself a good sharp crease. Take my 4 inch by 5.5 inch rectangle, and this also has a textured side, and I'm going to use the textured side just to give a little bit of a difference. going to use my ballpoint tip glue pen from the Martha Stewart's craft line. And you can see this is a scrap, an image that I tried to emboss and had a little difficulty. So if you do have some difficulty, don't give up. It happens to all of us. So put a liberal amount of glue on the back of that. Put this right on the card. Center it so you have a nice white border all around the card. And then make sure it's going to open the right way. And take your smaller image. And you can go ahead and press down on this. You won't hurt the image. It's raised. You can't hurt it. Just put some glue on the back of that. Put this down right there. Oops. Stick that down. Hopefully it will stick. Oop. Nope. Gonna have to let it sit. Maybe put a little bit more glue. And apply some pressure to my fingers, but I'll hold it. And there you go. You have a card that I think anybody would be delighted to have. And using 2 new things from the Martha Stewart's craft line, I think you'll be really excited to try this out. I hope you do. Thanks for watching.